welcome back to another amazing video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a Spotify playlist with your friends. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. And here we go. First of all, open up your Spotify. And from here, I'm going to go to my library and just tap on this plus icon in the top right to create a playlist. So I'm going to name a playlist that fun with the friends. Now, if you want to add your friends into that playlist, here you can see we have an add friend button in the left. You can see beside these three dots. Once you tap on that, here you will get this share menu pop up, and here we have copy link, WhatsApp, Instagram stories, Instagram messages, Facebook feed, and Twitter, Snapchat, SMS, and more. Alright, so you just have to copy the link and share this link with your friends, and using this link they will be able to get into your playlist. And that's how you can add friends to your playlist and listen to the music with your friends on Spotify. So that's how you can make a Spotify playlist with friends. So all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.